Meet Pam. She works from home in her pajamas. She loves the freedom it gives her, taking care of the house in her downtime with no commute and the couch just seconds away. But last week, a client came around and rang the doorbell. He didn't realize she wasn't a real business, and she didn't realize her address was listed online as the registered location with the state she was founded in. Awkward. They went to a coffee shop to meet, and after finding a parking spot, waiting in line for 10 minutes, and then waiting again to get the right order instead of the wrong one, they finally sat down to chat, only for the table next to them to be so loud they disturbed them the entire time. Pam's realized she needs a real business address and a place to meet clients, not every day, but once in a while for sure. Here at the Work Lodge, we can help. For only $55 a month, our virtual membership provides a real, physical address that isn't a P.O. box and looks great in Google Street View. It also provides access to our meeting and conference room space whenever Pam needs it. And because she only pays for the time she uses, she can manage her costs while making sure that no other client ever sees her in her pajamas again. The Work Lodge, affordable workspace for entrepreneurs that need it all the time, as well as those that need it some of the time. Schedule your visit today and see why we're the talk of the town.